Diabetes insulin. Many people with diabetes, especially those with type 1 diabetes, take insulin to help regulate their blood sugar. Insulin is administered in the form of daily injections. Insulin cannot be taken by mouth because your body's digestive system would destroy it. Other ways to take insulin include insulin pens, insulin jet injectors, and insulin pumps. However, researchers are testing new ways to get insulin into the bloodstream. So perhaps one day soon, diabetics will no longer have to inject themselves to get the insulin that their bodies require in order to function.
Attention! If you're on Medicare with diabetes, you may be eligible for an upgraded meter.
Results from testing my blood glucose were often wrong. I'd have to code my meter.
If you're on Medicare with diabetes, then you need to know about the newest methods in checking your blood glucose. You don't have to code your meter anymore, and you don't have to stab your fingers. These new no-code meters are easier to use and nearly painless.
This new method hurts less, and I don't have to code the test strips anymore.
No coding helps make testing faster and confirms accuracy. And the best news is that Diabetes Care Club will send you one of these new meters.
I called, got my no-code meter, now my fingers don't hurt anymore.
Diabetes Care Club delivers the latest technology directly to your door for free. So call and find out why over 100,000 patients choose Diabetes Care Club.
Honey, you don't have to code anymore. Upgrade your meter and change the way you test now.
Now, living with diabetes is never simple, but together we can make managing it easier.